In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove product from collection on Shopify. This is a quick task, but it is important because collections control how products are grouped and displayed in your online store. When you remove a product from a collection, you are not deleting the product from your store. You are only removing it from that specific collection, so it will no longer appear there for customers. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Products and then click Collections. This takes you to the area where all of your collections are listed, including both automated and manual collections. Next, find the collection you want to edit and click directly on the collection name to open it. Make sure you choose the correct collection, especially if you have similar names like seasonal groups or category variations. Once you are inside the collection, scroll down until you reach the Products section. This section shows the items currently included in that collection. Take a moment to confirm you are looking at the right list before you remove anything. Now locate the product you want to remove. Next to that product, click the X or the deselect icon. As soon as you click it, the product will be removed from the collection list. If you are removing more than one product, repeat the same action for each item you want to take out and double-check that you have only removed the products you intended. When you are finished, click Save to apply your changes. This final step is important. If you leave the page without saving, your updates may not be kept, and the product could still remain in the collection. After saving, it is a good idea to briefly confirm that the product no longer appears in the Products section of that collection. If you use your storefront navigation or collection pages for merchandising, this helps ensure everything is organized the way you want. And that is all there is to it.